Hi everyone, today we are making some Christmas decorations from orange. I love making crafts with natural materials, so when you eat an orange, you just cut these motifs from the peels. I usually use this knife and usually cut it on this side. Just be careful with the knife. So first of all, it also smells very nice, citrus aroma. You can use it first of all just as a Christmas ornament. You just put the string here, just glue the string here. Or you can do a small Christmas ornament like this. You just glue everything up and hang it on a Christmas tree. You can even do a small Christmas tree with pine cones. You can check this out on my previous video on my YouTube channel, Earth Harmony. But now in this video we're gonna do a bigger Christmas wreath. I'll show you how. If you can pick some fresh branches is also perfect. So we're just gonna put the string up here now, so we could hang it afterwards. And now we're just gonna first look how we're gonna put these orange peels. Maybe something like this. Like this. You can even add some pine cones, but I think I'm gonna go just with the orange peels in this one. And we will glue all of this on the wreath with hot. So like this, I'm just gonna put the stars also here and here. I already put the hot glue. You can always give or take something. So now you can use it just as a Christmas table decoration, like this. Or you can hang it and it's a Christmas wreath. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. You can tell me in the comment what would you give or take. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ciao!